Come on, pick up the phone. I need to know if you're alright. Why is she not picking up? I've been calling her. What's wrong? Is she okay? Oh, come on, Kate. Pick up your phone. Why is she not picking up? Why?
Oga, make you try rest. I believe say Madam dey on her way dey come back house. You know how work dey take be.
Monica, give me one reason a married woman should stay out of her husband's house till this time of the night.
Oga, you know say
Just leave my sight. Get out. You won't understand. Go!
sorry, sir. Madam don't come back. Ma go. That's right.
Kate. Why will a married woman stay out till this time of the night? Besides, Kate, I have been calling you. You refused picking your calls. How do you want me, your husband, to feel? How?
Let me explain.
Oh,
Some auditors came from headquarters.
I knew it.
They noticed some contradictions in our branch. So we had to work to the night to fix things. Desmond, I'm a senior staff at the bank. If I want to be promoted to the bank manager, which is my aim by the way, I need to do these things. How else do I make you understand? I will always be your wife.
Kate, in other words, are you saying I shouldn't worry about your well-being? Is that what you're saying?
I'm sorry. I did not pick your calls because I was not close to my phone. And then I was rushing home. I know all these things. That is why I have Monica to fix things when I'm not available.
Kate, you are.
Oh, Desmond, please. All I want to do now is just have a cold bath, rest. I had a hectic day and tomorrow is another busy day. Please, I need to just rest.
Is that it? Is that it? She's not even understanding what I'm trying to say. She's not getting my point. This woman. It's all right. It's okay. Oh, Auntie. Oh, I wasn't expecting your call this morning. Hello, Aunt. Yes, Aunt. Yes, exactly. Yes. Kate has been misbehaving, Aunt. I even had to send you SMS yesterday. Aunt, the issue is she doesn't come back from work early. She always come back late in the night. Somebody's wife. It doesn't make sense. Yes, Aunt. Mm-hmm. No. I would never lay my hands on my wife. I was only trying to put some senses into her head, but she's not even listening to me. Yes. Yesterday, she got back after 12 a.m. in the middle of the night. And you know how insecure it is right now in this country. It's all right, Auntie. Of course, you know I'm not a violent person. Okay. It's all right, no problems. It's okay. All right, Auntie. I'll call you back. I'm on the road, yeah. All right, goodbye.
All this place too dirty. And the sweep on everything.
Monica,
Madam, good morning, my mother.
good morning. My husband is not around. Did he tell you where he was going?
He talk say they go for jogging. He waka come up for this morning. So, he say they come back.
Okay, make sure you tidy up everywhere. And when he returns, tell him I'll go and see my mother from office.
Thank you, madam.
Okay. Be fast and finish up everything.
Thank you, madam.
Mommy, honestly, I am not in support of what Kate is doing. Mommy, in as much as this her job is important to her, family is also important, Mommy.
I know.
The way she's treating this man is not good. I've said my own. No.
Okay.
Anita, you know how stubborn your cousin can be. I have spoken to her about this issue on so many occasions, but she's not listening to me. She's not listening.
Mommy, you need to make her listen. You're in a better position to make her listen. The day this man will file a divorce, you people will say I did not talk. I did though. Kate should keep doing this thing.
You're right. I have told her to see me because there will be no phone call discussions again. And I pray she calms down to listen to whatever thing I have to tell her.
Even if she doesn't calm down, you're in a better position to make her calm down.
Anita, she's an adult.
Adult. And she's behaving like this. Mommy, she's behaving like this. I will be in this house, it will happen. No. I will be in this house. This same job we're talking about, it was this man that got her this job. When things were well with him. Okay, now, because he doesn't have anything anymore, Kate is behaving like this. I'm in this house now. She will cry. She will come crying. I'm in this house.
I'll go to see her. Okay, and shut up. I'm leaving. I should be leaving now. Please make sure you pick my clothes from the laundry. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget.
Yeah. All right,
Stay
mama.
around.
Bye.
Yeah.
She will not hear now. Yeah, you want to be a bank manager. Anyway, I'm in this house.
You're just dusty.
Monica, I have always wanted this. I've always desired having you.
Okay, but
Name it. I will do anything. Just name it. Come here.
okay, welcome.
Yeah, thank you. My wife. Is she in the room?
Okay, she don't come out Tete. She say she dey go work, then from there she fit go see her mama.
Oh, okay. It's all right.
Okay, wetin you go shop for breakfast? Make her.
Nothing much. Just make me a cup of coffee.
Okay.
Okay? I'll be going out soon.
Okay.
All right.
Which one God tell me before?
Etim! You won't scatter the gate? Go, sir. Go, sir. How are you?
Monica, Monica.
What is it now? Come on now, Monica baby, what is it?
Osas, I don't dey warn you for this house. No, they call me baby. I no be your baby. Nobody there house. I dey go market.
Are you serious? See, Monica, you are unique. You're a fine girl. I want to bring out the glow in you. It's even a good thing no one is home. Let's go inside and have a quick one. I mean, quickie. Quickie.
See, only God know wetin dey find. You like no go inside, dey here. I dey go market.
Are you being so stiff?
Monica,
Stop now! Don't dey carry craze dey come this house.
Shit. This girl is fine. I must chop you. I must chop you.
Monica, Monica.
Money. Hey, my girl. See beauty. Omalichangwa. Hey, heavenly bleaching cream. I say, anytime I remember saying, na maybe your boyfriend. You can just do me, make I just die.
Die, yo. Which can die be that?
No be the original death, oh. No be the rest in peace, oh. Money, my baby. But the problem is, say, you know they get chance. You know they give me chance. Make me and you they gone body. This our call now. Maybe they begin now they miss some. Eh? They give me a chance.
No be so much. You know, say the only time why they get, now the time why they carry the go market, and now the time why they take they see you too.
We go find another means. So that part I know you know they work for us. So see you know remember that time with me and you the village. You know say as we take the runner, eh?
Yeah, did.
And as it be now, my yoga don't travel. No only me and that small dog, that Jimmy, the house. Loneliness won't kill me. Hey, make you come now. Make we just go my house sharp.
No worry. Next time I will come. Yeah? I will come now.
Now what you they always tell me? Next time. Make we see. Make we go my house. I go do am fast. Even if say now only the cap, I go just touch am. I'm okay.
No. My mother did you.
Okay. No, Wala. You know, so I dey miss you. Just give me a kiss now.
You just calm down now.
Just, small. Yeah, make I be the one to give you. Hey, who am I? I'm wet. I'm sweating. Hey, now shit, no. I give me my own. No, give me. Jesus! This is a fair relationship. It's a very fair relationship. Hey, God. Hi. Jesus. I'm in love. I swear I'm in love. See as she fine. This is a fair relationship. I swear no go allow any man. No go allow any man come near him. But she for follow me go my house. Give me small now. Because I'm lonely, I did down. Lonely. I'm lonely.
Funny, I see you're busy.
Osas, no dey play that kind of play with me. Come on for here. I go pour you this water. I don't dey warn you since.
Monica, come on. What's your problem? Am I not enough for you? Check out now. You're being so hard on me. See, allow me to take care of you.
I no want. Not by force. What did they do for this house? Carry yourself when they go back to school. Oh.
See, now you make me they come this house. So you're the reason I'm not in school now. You know all these things now. Come on now, let's
If
just...
you name come on for here. I go shook you. Come on for here.
It's not this life. See,
Come on for road, make a pass.
Don't worry. See, there are thousands of girls out there craving for me. I will just give you some time to come around. I know you will come around.
Come on, so.
Don't worry.
Near me, no. I'm going to play that kind of
Don't worry, nothing will do. Just the. I'm here for this Saturday. Nobody sees. Monica, see, I'm serious.
Wow, my darling. I really enjoyed this meal. The taste is out of this world. You know you remain the best chef in the whole world.
I'm glad you did. I'm glad you enjoyed my food as usual.
Mm-hmm. I did. You know, it's one of the reasons I got married to you. Mm-hmm. Full
like
option. Full package.
You like food.
I got married to full package.
You like food.
Yes, I did. Do you have some more in the pot?
You want some more food?
Yeah.
You mean this food or this food? Decide.
This
Better,
food.
better.
This food. This.
Let me
this
just take any
food,
plate
this food,
and
this food,
eating this food.
This food.
Calm down. I was. You know what? I have to.
No, don't worry. After that food, this other food. This other food. Because I'm going to give it to you. Man, you've never seen before.
Oga. Oga, beg now. This thing we do. You no good.
Monica, drive your car to the bed. Go to bed. Go to bed.
Oga.
I said, go to bed. Drive your car to bed, Monica. Drive car to bed. Oh.
Baby. Baby. Just go. Come, let's go to you.
Sas. What are you insinuating? That I should beat her up or stop her from working?
If need be. Bros, you did try you. Me or Sass. I cannot take that from any woman. Are you sure you're not married to a feminist?
What?
Yes, because that's their attributes. Why won't she mellow down for her husband? You are the man of the house, and by right, she should be submissive.
At first, she wasn't like that. I don't know what.
Look, bros, to know the true taste of a person, you have to give he or she power or influence. Come on, she's just showing you her true color. That's what she's doing. You're just too blind to see it. That's what she's doing.
I want to go carry madam clothes for dry cleaner.
Okay. You have to be fast. Okay?
Thank you, okay.
Hey, young man. What are you staring at? Huh?
Come on, bros. Girl, she's fine, oh. He?
Wait. Has it gotten to this level? Huh? That you now lost after my house help?
Come on, bros. Na man Abina. That girl is fine.
Wait. Has it gotten to this level? Huh? That you now lost after my house help? I hope this is not what you've been doing in the school. Huh?
Bro.
Womanizing up and down.
Bros, calm down. You did try you. See, that girl is fine. That man Abina. Don't worry, I can even marry her if need be.
Hey, keep quiet. At this stage in your life, you should concentrate on your studies. Do you understand? And not to lusting after women up and down. What's wrong with you?
Heard.
Listen, womanizing is not in our blood. I don't know where you got this womanizing attitude of yours. And you better remind yourself that diseases are everywhere. Be careful.
Bros, I'm not a womanizer. It's just that girl is fine. I'm appreciating her beauty. I mean, can't you see? She's fine. You did try you. You just did this house with her. Don't worry, I gave it to you. But then let's forget about let's talk about your wife. You need to do something about it. Yeah?
Osas,
Yes, now.
Osas, you shouldn't be recognizing who is beautiful and who is not beautiful at this point in time. And concentrate on your studies. As for my wife, don't worry. I don't know. See the way you lost control over my house help. Ha!
I lost control. Bros.
This boy.
How is everything now?
Everything is fine, you know. We thank God for everything is fine. I know you're coming here now is to...
You dare not walk out on me. Kate, I'm talking to you.
Desmond, what?
How dare you walk out on your husband? What has come over you? What is wrong with you?
What's all this insensibility? Where is it coming from? Why do you act as if I'm doing something bad? Desmond, this job has been of immense help to this family. Okay, your building project in the village. How was it completed? This job. Your mother's burial. We did everything required of us to give her a befitting burial. Where did the money come from? This job. We pay bills, maintain our statues in this society, drive good cars. Where does the money come from? This job. And I've never complained even once. Why can't you just be supportive? Do I need to beg you to understand me? Once I back this promotion, it's going to help this family. What is all this? I won't talk any further. I'm late for work. I'll see you when I return.
Kate, come back here. Kate, I'm talking to you. Kate! As usual, always walking out on me. No problem. It's okay. Go to work. You come back to this house and meet me.
Okay. The juice don't ready. Make a serve.
Hey, get out of this place.
Rubbish. Nonsense. Can you imagine?
My own wife walking out on me anyhow, anytime she wants.
That was so unfair, if you ask me. You shouldn't have spoken to him in that manner. He's still your husband regardless.
I didn't want to, but he pushed me.
That is because he loves you and he wants to make things work for you too. Come on, you can still meet up with your targets without having to stay out late and make yourself available for work all the time. Make them understand that you are married and things will change at work.
Listen, Amanda, I wouldn't miss this promotion for anything in this world. I want to be counted amongst the women of substance in this country. And you want me to mess it up because of marriage?
Kate, family first. Yes, because at the end of the day, we all will run back to family, and that is why you need to make things work. Kate.
Time up. Let's go. Where do you want me to drop you?
Kate.
Your house or his house? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stop. Hi.
You're welcome.
Listen, I know I spoke to you in an unlawful way this morning. I am sorry. I didn't mean to.
It's not necessary. I am still awake, just to make sure you return back safely. Now you're here. Good night.
Babe. Baby. Baby, I'm sorry.
But why her number go still dey off now? Which kind of nonsense be this one? Which kind of nonsense be this one? Eh? Oh God. I no blame anybody. Now these stupid agents we go find work for Monica where she know they get time. Come see me. Now this thing don't full now. I need to offload. Eh? I need to offload. If I don't offload today, I be bust. If I don't offload today, it go bust. It go bust. Man, I no get joy, yo. Let's go enter this house. It's what we do for love. I have to be a man and do what we can do for love. Let me enter this house. Anything we want, make it happen. Make. Money. I'm lowly, I did that. I'm lowly. Money. Make I pretend like say I dey say something. I dey say crayfish. Monica, buy your crayfish. Monica, crayfish. Oh, you don't hear am. Na NEPA. Who dey here? Na NEPA people. Where's been? Monica, come out now. Come out. Oh God. Money. Hey! Money, I go cause riot too. Monica. Hey, come Monica for me now. This is war. You assist my love. This is war. Go shift Ogaka. No, go shift Ogaka. You see? Yeah, call Monica for me now. That Monica kill you there. You see? You don't want to leave Monica alone. You want to lose your job. Eh? Hey! Now me you supposed to reason as man to man. Listen. If you dey collect my Monica, tell me. Eh? Me we dey do am part time. You collect home, I collect outside. You collect interior, I collect exterior. Eh? You know they say I be ex military man. You want make we carry him by blow? Eh?
Okay, you won't fight me. I forcall Monica for you. But because of that.
Come, may we share my food.
I dey eat for my house. Go with your congee. This one, we suppose they support me as man support man. I don't blame you. If like say continue they worry you. Ah, my step don't even change. Ah, Monica.
Kate, you don't mean it. You can opt out of this emergency travel this weekend if you want. They know you are a married woman and can decide to do otherwise. Besides, you don't need to jump on every company's outing just to please them and displease your home. Come on, it's optional. Think about it, girl.
Amanda, don't even try to discourage me. Did you know how many years I've put in this job? 7 freaking years. Desmond got me this job years ago, you remember? Because he knew I was in love in banking sector. And you want me to jeopardize this opportunity? My sister, nothing, not even my marriage. No way.
Kate, if you ask me...
I won't even ask you because I know the outcome. My mind is already made up.
Okay.
Just shh and go back to your office.
Kate?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
What do you do yourself?
What? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Why would you slap me like that?
See, I know they like all this nonsense play where they play with me. Stop am if na play safe.
I told you I like you now. I love you. I was just playing with you.
See, Osas, make you just stop am if na play safe. No, they play all those kind of play with me. You dey hear me so? If you try am again, I go report you give organ.
I mean, I won't yourself. What be that one? Oh, just they jump. This thing, who go chop her? Who go chop her? So, best I won't help you. Just they do like that. Stop. No try this rubbish next time again. I just leave it. They jump.
See, best we won't help somebody. You don't help yourself finish. You when they see they pay school fees for. You won't come help my life.
Well, nah. I'll chop you. Whatever. Come on. So I can help you.
See, I'm just asking me. You never even help yourself finish. You won't help me. You know those I be big fish. Because I dey do house girl, abi? Go down. Yeah, I love you. I like you. Never even pay your school fees by yourself.
Mom, how will I listen to him? He's being insensitive and unnecessarily difficult. Mom, you know how hard I worked to get to this stage. Mom, you know my goals. You know my dreams. You know my aspiration to become one of the finest managers before I turn 35. What is so difficult to understand? Mom, I even got a house help to make things easy for us. What else? God. A wife that knows what she wants. A wife that I've worked hard to get to this stage. Mom, I've made a name for myself. I just hope this is not competition. I hope he's not competing with me. I hope he's not jealousy because he knows I ain't better than him. Mom, nobody's going to stop me. Nobody can. Mommy, he knows how this job has helped us in this family. Why is he doing this? Mom, this thing is one step at a time. Mom, it's okay, it's okay. I'll make out time to come and see you. Mom, I said it's okay. I'll make out time to come and see you. But it's going to be after work because I work on Saturday. Mom, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'll see you after work. Okay. Take care. Bye. Should be happy. I'm paying the bills and not complaining. Just listen. Even got a house help to make things easy for us. Still, you're not grateful. How many wives foot the bills and not complain? I still respect you.
Hey, honey.
Hey, baby.
Oh, you've been on this for some hours now. I suggest we go to bed. You continue with this in the morning, okay?
Oh,
Come on.
No, baby. I wish I can. I need to finish this up because I have to submit this report first thing tomorrow morning.
Come on, honey. I need you, okay? I promise I'm going to wake you early in the morning to finish up with whatever you have to do, okay?
Desmond, please. This is the best time for me to do this report. I can't compromise. Okay, you know what? We can do this any other time you want. You can make love, do whatever you want. But let me just finish this report, please.
Is that it? This is what you do all the time, every night. Huh? It's all right. Your work. Work. Face your work. I'm going to leave you alone. In fact, I am leaving this room for you. Go on. Sick and tired of this. Continue with your work.
Oga, me I know say this one no take consign me, but you need to be patient with madam. Me I believe say madam go change one day.
Monica,
Oga,
tell me, what haven't I done? What haven't I done to make my wife change? But she has refused to change in any way.
Oga, you need to be patient too. Me I believe say my madam go change one day. She go change.
Since you sound so confident about that, asking me to be patient with her. But I can't be patient with you, with all this. Yes. Don't be scared.
Come on here.
What? I
Oga, good afternoon.
Now, wow. Why madam they do go like this? Oga don't think tire. Person could just marry fine husband finish, they treat am like that. Make this man no come go kolo.
Monica, which can't be this one now? This is becoming too much now. Mercy for me. Mercy for me now, I beg.
Oh yeah, sorry now, you don't do. You know, so now only me they work for this house. Oh yeah, no verse. You won't cry. Oh yeah, no cry.
That's all you just tell me. No verse. Sorry. No verse. No, sorry. No verse. Why I no go verse? Konji won't kill son of man. I am so lonely at the down. Why I get beautiful girl like you?
Bring your voice down now. You they shout. Hey? Oh, no worry, I will come next time now. Calm down now.
Na so.
Okay.
Na your language with that. Next time, later, tomorrow. See, make you no come be what the reason. No. Make you no come be say you don't run one stupid parole with your guy inside.
Which kind of nonsense?
Because that's how they start. Now from later, you know, go begin to do enter. You think I no?
No talk that nonsense again before thunder go strike you. No try am. Why you go call my organ name for this canteen?
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry, say I call your organ name. You know, say if this is one person go dey talk anyhow. See that uncompleted building with the here. Make we just go sharp. Go run and sharp.
Oh, shut up your mouth!
I swear I know the waste time. Now 2 minutes, man. I be.
Shut up your mouth! Why you go talk the canteen? Every time you won't do. You don't ask me about my plan. Or you don't ask me. Talk am now. You know they tire. Every time you won't do. See, from today, no even come look for me. No come my name, no near me. You dey hear me so? Stop all this nonsense.
I go die you. I'm lonely at the down. Lonely. Monica, wait.
Wetin happen?
May we just do am here. May we close eyes do am here. May we no come out again. Just raise them up.
Abeg, come out for here. Oh! I go slap you. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Monica,
no come near me. Oga, I go call my oga now.
Just raise them up.
I go call my madam now for you.
May we go in the backyard.
If you climb there, come out for here.
Monica, may we go in the backyard. May we go. Agbajela aka m asụọla. Now I don't get accident now. Oga, shey you don't rest. You don't go inside. Monica, you wicked though. Monica, I swear you wicked.
Hey, my Oga.
Monica.
Oga, welcome.
Why is your face like that? Are you okay?
Oga, I'm fine.
Are you sure? You're looking moody, unlike you.
I'm fine, sir.
It's okay, if you say so. What are you doing? What is it?
I thought this is what you've always wanted.
You thought this is what I always wanted. So you don't want it. Leave me alone.
Come on.
And what is it now? Are you deaf? I said leave me alone now. Leave me alone. What's all this? Go to bed.
Okay. It's fine. It's not as if I wanted it. But make sure you don't go telling my mom and every other person that I don't allow you to touch me. Good night.
Good night too. What's all this? What happened to all the food stuff in the house?
Okay, the food don't finish. Everything don't finish.
How come? Huh? I thought all this were bought last week.
But everything just finished. We're not to buy new one remain, Oga.
Sure you don't bring your friends to this house to eat this food stuff whenever we are not around.
Oga, no. Madam, good morning.
Good morning, Monica. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything there alright. But we get small wahala for the house. Food stuff don't finish for the house.
Let me see, please. And you couldn't bring the list to me. You were showing him as if he's going to give you money.
Madam, I won't come.
Save it. Take. I'll transfer the money to you when I get here. Make sure you place everything in the house.
Okay, madam. Okay, sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Can you imagine Kate in the presence of this little girl? No problem.
Kate, what is wrong with you? Why do you always do this? Huh?
Amanda, can you not start now, please?
How? You told me a thing like this and expect me not to condemn it? Wait, do you intentionally do this to spite him?
But I did not lie. It's the truth.
Must you rub it on his face? This man has been with you all this while. Why mean to him now? Why?
I wish I have somebody that can understand me. Besides, Desmond cannot live without me. He loves me so much, and
don't let this fool you. Okay? People can change at any time. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Okay, why did I come to this office again? Thank you.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Mama, here you are. You decided to surprise us.
Yes. I said, let me surprise you people today.
Wow.
How are you?
You've done well, Mama.
Thank you so much.
Please, come sit.
I hope I met my daughter.
Well, she'll be back from work soon.
Okay.
You're highly welcome, Mama.
Thank you so much. Please give me water.
Get Mama a glass of water and a cup of juice.
Okay.
Cold one.
So how are you?
Hi, Mama.
Good.
Thank you. We're happy to have you here.
I decided to surprise you people. I chose to come to spend 1 or 2, 3 days with you.
Wow. Wow. Kate will be so surprised to see you.
That's my mission.
It's all right, Mama. Or let me send her an SMS.
No, please don't call her. I just want to surprise her. I want to see the looks on her face as she walks in.
That's good. I buy the idea.
You're looking good, son.
Thank you, Mama. And you too. Evergreen.
Don't mind us with village.
I understand, Mama.
You didn't get anywhere.
No, I decided to chill today, go through one or two things. Monica, hurry up with the drink. Oh. Mama?
Kate is not back yet.
Oh. Yes, Mom. She's not back yet. She'll be back soon.
So this is what you go through every day. No, now, it's quite unfair.
I'm used to it, Mama.
No, don't get used to what is not right. Where's my phone?
Mama, stop bothering yourself. Oh, I said it. Yes, she is.
Mama. You came?
Yes. When last did you pick my calls? When?
Mama,
I know already. For goodness sake, this is quite unfair. Very, very unfair. I mean, look at it. You're coming back. So tell me what in God's name will make you leave your house early in the morning and return home this late?
Mama, you don't understand. Look, I
already do. See, you have to change. Or take another job that will give you enough time for your husband.
Mama, I'm sorry. Hope Monica took care of you.
No, your husband did. And I want you to know that Monica will not be here forever. I have been sitting here since morning that I came to your house. At least now that you're back, you can show me the way to my room so that I can at least change what I'm wearing. And you two go and take your bath. Madam, walk. Please come and show me where I will undress. Kotoma. Nonsense. Open this door, let me go in. Open it. I'm giving me excuses. I came here since morning and I'm stuck in the parlor. Monica!
Was that necessary? Was it?
What are you talking about?
Inviting my mother over so she sees how I return back late. What's that all about? Can't things just remain between us? Must you involve a third party?
Kate, no one invited your mother. She decided to visit on her own. Even at that, isn't it high time you adjusted? Monica is not going to be here forever.
And so, I work so hard. I can employ as many house helps as I deem fit. What's your problem? I work really hard, I pay the bills, I don't complain. If you want to be a man and be my husband, then I will appreciate. Help me, support me, and not just sit here and look for one or two dramas to cause.
Good night.
Madam, good afternoon.
Monica, are you alright? You know you can always talk to me. Come on, what is it?
Madam Naoga. Madam, I swear to God, who can love you die? But you can't lean the go. Eh? They can't complain, they make call, they tell people say you need to respect them for this house. So to the neighbors can't they tell them, I'm sorry, can't they pity and they join. Madam, I dey beg you. I beg if you just do something, make Oga just dey stop to the thing for this house. Hey, before you go come get BP heart attack, take die like.
Will you shut up? You seem to have forgotten your place and boundary in this house. How dare you?
I'm sorry, madam.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? So you leave what you're supposed to be doing and be gossiping? Are you tired of this job?
Madam, no. They use Jesus, take beg God, they beg you, I beg. I no go do am again.
Get out of my sight.
Forgive me.
Get out, and if you try this rubbish next time, I'm going to slap you. Get out!
Sorry, madam.
Can you imagine this fool? This idiot! Don't try this next time! You are tired of this job, I can see. Rubbish. Nonsense. The gods.
Okay, welcome.
How are you?
I know.
Good. I bought this for you.
Oh God, thank you. Thank you.
It's all right. Don't
God,
mention.
God bless you.
It's okay. That's for a job well done. Go check it out.
Thank you, Oga. Oga, thank you. Oga, thank you.
No problem.
God, thank you, thank you. God go bless my Oga. God go go for a fruit. Yafu, bless her. Let me just be close. Oga, thank you. I was looking for you.
Now you found me.
Sorry, my madam. Okay. The food already. Make our server as to take hot soup.
Monica,
My madam.
when did you start wearing such clothes in this house? And how did you get them?
Is this part of the clothes Auntie Mercy brought?
Yes, Oga.
Okay. Auntie Mercy brought it for her.
Monica, I don't want you wearing such clothes in this house. Am I understood?
Yes, my madam.
Go and get the food ready.
Thank you, madam.
Your auntie should know the kind of clothes to give her in this house. Anyways, I came to tell you that I'll be traveling on Friday for official duty. And I'll come back on Monday.
Suit yourself. Soon, you're going to get the biggest shock of your life. Continue. Just the play.
What? I don't understand. Desmond, what is wrong with you? Amanda, what is it? What is it? You can't talk or what? Amanda, I don't have time. I don't have strength for this, your drama. See, I get my handbag and all the stuffs in the car. They are full stuff. And I have a parcel there, please. Bring everything in the house. You can't talk anymore. Pointing like...
Juliet. It's gonna take after my complexion and my height. And then maybe your your nose. Wow. Same here. Oh my goodness. So tell me, what are you going to
Amanda! What is going on here?
Don't you have eyes? Huh? Well, you can keep up with your late night and office trip. I don't care anymore. God has blessed me with the right woman.
Amanda, how could you? Amanda, of all the men in this world, you chose my husband. Why? How come?
Don't! Stop it! I said stop it! Stop it! Stop! Will you stop that? Will you
Of all the men in this world, is my husband. Are you okay?
Will you stop? Get out! Get out of this place! Get out! I said,
of all the men,
get out of this place! Get out!
Amanda, you're wicked. You're all the men in this world.
Get out of this place! Get out!
Baby.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Don't mind her. You witch. Blood-sucking demon. Sorry. Sit down. Sorry, okay? Sorry. No, but I'm going to buy you. I'm sorry. I'm going to buy you chicken and chips, okay? Hollandia, you got? I'm going to get you turkey. Do you want pizza? Pepperoni? Chicken? Everything, okay? It's okay, sorry.
Sincerely, I don't think Amanda would do such. She's not even that kind of person.
But it was so clear. God, I don't know. Anita.
Kate, this might be an omen of possible outcome. If you don't make your homework, nature might actually be using Amanda's face to show you what I actually presumed. Sit up, Kate.
Desmond cannot cheat on me. In fact, he has never done that before. He hasn't even given me any reason to suspect him. And not with my friend.
You can never tell the heart of a man when he's being pushed aside. Besides, I thought you didn't really care. Why are you all scared now?
Anita, I love my husband. I can't lose him for anything in this world.
Madam, you know the problem. Solve it. Before somebody else will solve it for you.
You were my best friend's husband.
But we met first. I got to know Kate through you.
And you got me.
Oh, Amanda. Kate has been making life unbearable. And I can't take it anymore. Don't you understand?
I want you so obsessed. Please, she will definitely.
Hey. Good morning.
Good morning.
I thought you were supposed to travel. Aren't you traveling anymore? Or has it been postponed?
No,
So what happened?
actually, I cancelled it.
Really? Wow. Unlike you. Well, unlike you.
Baby, baby,
Yeah. Did you change your mind?
Baby, I am sorry. I know I have not been a good wife. I have been unjust. I have been selfish. I've been stupid. I've been foolish, just name it, but I am sorry. Please, I want you to give us another chance.
Well,
I want us to make this homework again. Please just give us a chance to fix our home.
Well, I was about telling you the good news. One of the biggest contracts I've been pursuing for long now. Guess what? One of the biggest contracts I have been pursuing just clicked. As I speak to you right now, it has been awarded to me and I am going to Abuja on Monday to execute this contract. You know, we need something like this to elevate our financial capacity in this family so that that love and respect that has been lacking can be restored. You know what I mean?
Baby, you can't leave your wife now.
You see, I thought you were supposed to like hug me or jubilate for this good news. Well, I have made up my mind. And we need this money so that I can do as many, you know what I mean? Do the things a man should do in his own house. I was about going outside to get a document from the car. I'll be back.
Baby, please, I'm sorry. Baby, please.
sorry. I was caught up at now. What is it? It's not there. So, I'm just sleeping with my husband. Wait, what kind of question is this? Huh? Amanda, are you sleeping with that one? Are you mad? Are you okay? I don't sleeping with my husband. I just sleeping with that one. I just sleeping with my husband. I just sleeping with my husband.
Ah, Kate, when did you become so shameless? Huh? A married woman majestically went out there to fight your best friend. A single girl at that. Come on, you're bigger than this. Look at your face. Just take a good look at your face. Tell me, what will you tell your colleagues at work? Hmm? Everyone would think your husband gave you a hot punch on the face. One blow, seven apples. Without them knowing, I am not a woman beater. I have not even laid one finger on you ever since I got married to you. And here you are with a swollen face, a black eye. Oh. Anyways, me looking at you, I know you're in pains. Please sit down. Sit. That face needs a massage. Monica! Get me a bowl of warm water and a facial towel. Hurry up! Let me massage this face. I'm going to press it very hard. So that next time when you see a fight, you run away, tiki-taka. What's all this?
Baby, I made breakfast.
I am not hungry.
Baby, this is 1 week now. We've not eaten food in this house. We barely even talk. We hardly see. Okay, listen, if you're trying to get back at me, I will take it. But at least eat something from your wife. Maybe I took leave at the office just to fix things, to fix our marriage. Babe, please.
I know exactly where you're driving at. Yes. Soon you're going to insult me as usual, reminding me of how incapable of a man that I am. Yes. But you see, I am a very busy man. I'm already running late for work. When I get to work, I will continue with the emails I was sending before you interrupted. Okay? So, I'll see you when I get back.
What is it? Why are you doing like mosquito on my body? What is it now? Leave me alone now. Go and sleep. You have work tomorrow. I need to wake up 3 a.m. in the morning to go to work. Leave me alone. What? When did this one start now? I said you leave me. I'll leave this room for you. Go and lie down. You have work in the morning. As early as 2 a.m. you need to go to work. Oh! You think I'm joking? I'm leaving this room for you. Just leave me alone. You want to put me in the mood. After putting me in the mood, now you just lie down and sleep off. What all this? I'm going downstairs. Sleep alone. Wow.
What's that?
Man, these girls got some bad ass calls.
Damn.
Woo!
Osas,
Wow, this is hot.
where do you get all this sight? Huh?
Wow! What's this girl? Don't worry now. This girl is hot.
Just check out her flat tummy and the curves. Damn.
The way these girls go about this whole BBL thing these days is something else.
Wait. Osas, calm down. That's by the way. Are you sure you've not been using your school fees to invite these girls?
Don't say me finish. I'm a fine guy now. I don't need to pay them. These girls come to me.
Keep quiet. You see these girls? Now money for hand, bar for ground.
It's a good thing. You've been so serious all your life.
Wait. And they even have their phone number and emails.
Yes.
Damn, like if you chat them,
Too sick.
give them address, they come down.
As far as you've got money.
So you pay them before they come
I'm
or
talking about you. As far as you've got money, me, I don't pay.
you don't pay. Say you be who?
You've
Chairman.
been serious all your life. It's a good thing we are having this conversation. At least as brothers, we are grown up. We talk about girls, not every
Man.
time serious.
But wait, come to think of it, do you know some of these girls in your campus, they might be into this hookup thing and all that stuff?
You say some, all
the girls in
all the girls.
I said it.
Any girl that is not into even the ugly ones are struggling.
Damn.
The business.
Man, this hookup thing, man. Our future mothers, while I do.
See, bros, don't worry. Now that you're now thinking alike, all these links are smart and I will give you more links.
Who is thinking like you? Young man, you better focus on your studies and leave all this CKB super.
Bros!
Leave
I'm
all
so
this
happy.
CKB super. Oh.
Stop being too serious. This life now once.
Elewu ku egbu ewu.
Oga.
Monica.
Oga, you see, I say the plan we take plan, it will work well. As I talk to you, so Madam, the great God won't beg you.
Yes, Monica. I want to say a very big thank you for that wonderful idea you came up with that has given birth to so much love, respect, and peace between my wife and I. Thank you so much.
Oga, welcome. Oga, what will be the next plan now? You still dey go Abuja?
Abuja? There was no Abuja in the first place.
Oga, I thought I say you wise.
I made up all those lies to balance the equation as a result of the idea you came up with. And now my wife, she can't even get me off her sight for 1 second. Even in the middle of the night, she wakes, turns, and she didn't see me lying beside her. She'll be like, baby, where are you? In her dreams, I have gone to Abuja. Thank you. You really did well.
Welcome, Oga. Oga, make I go finish wetin I dey do for inside.
Good. It's all right.
Thank you, Oga.
Good. Now I have my wife all to myself. Sometimes it's not all about bas boza, but applying intelligence. Keep calm until the right time comes. Thank you.
Monica, my wife and I want to appreciate you for what God used you to do in this family. Restoring peace and harmony in our home. We want to say thank you very much.
Welcome, Oga.
Monica, my husband and I, we have decided that you will no longer be our house help.
Anything I don't do, you forgive me. Oga, I beg.
Calm down. Just calm down, let me finish. Monica, my husband and I have decided to send you back to school.
Madam, thank you. Oga, thank you.
We will sponsor you from your year 1 till you finish. Yes, and you feel free to stay in the house and don't worry about your pay. We will still pay you even while you're going to school.
Madam, thank you. Oga, thank you. Madam, thank you. God will bless you, Yafo.
Amen.
God will replenish your now.
Amen.
Madam, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Oga.
Come on, stand up. Come on, go to the bar, get us something to drink.
Okay, Oga. Madam.
Take whatever you like as well.
Thank you, Oga.
You're welcome.
Oga, no dey drink too much now. This drink go wound you. And e no dey good for your body.
Patrice, what are you talking about? Please, just leave. Get out.
Oga, I dey beg you, abeg. You fit lis ten to me. See, I know say dem talk say people no know wetin dem get until dem lose am. But I get plan for us. See, this plan wey I get so e go help you and e go work well well.
Radio without battery. I still don't understand the reason for this broadcast of yours.
Oga, when you stop the drink, you go understand am well. Na the drink dey cause am.
You go wait die out.
Oga, I don't do now.
Because see, which can know this one now? I know say na them. Person no fit just borrow card for make e just rest for this country. Small 80 naira card wey I borrow now, just dey send me message. I say na them buy phone for me. Hey, my Monica, Can I see you today in your house? Yes, yes. Hey, she said my house. No need for me to go there. Yes, Monica, you can see me. Hey, I'm always available. Hey, today, Monica, I'm always available. Hey, today, Monica.
Carry me now.
Hey, hey, my baby. Hey, am I mad? I swear I no go die. How you won't make I just die like that? Eh? And another man will come to take care of this beauty. Natural bleaching cream from God. Hey.
So, na this thing that they talk since. But I no make me and you argue.
We no go argue again.
So, I don't forgive you for everything, all the sin we don't commit to. But
Thank you.
me and you no fit dey again.
Hey, thank you. Hey, thank you. Hey. Wait, I know just to understand. You say you don't forgive me. The other one where you come to say me and you we no go dey again. I say we no go scratch body.
Jeku, you know say God sef no say.
love
You no love me at all. You no even like me small sef. Na my body you want. But I don't want that kind of thing now. You know, I don't like am. I don't like am.
I like your body. But now you dey inside your body now. I like your body.
Wait now, make her finish. See, I go appreciate am say you go forget about me. Just anything about me, no even think am at all. I beg, I dey carry God name beg you. I wan just free my mind. My mind just dey katakata, everything just dey occupied. I wan just dey on my own, free my head.
Prepare for burial. Make I commit suicide. Just prepare for burial.
You no dey do those things now. No do am. No.
Why you say make I forget about you? Why you want make I forget about
I no
you?
dey like this kind of thing there. You tell yourself the truth. Now my body you want. No love me.
I love the both. If be spirit, if say you be spirit, the spirit wey no dey get body.
Go carry pure water, cool your brain down. Your brain dey hot.
Monica, prepare for burial. Monica. The truth be say, I love her body, oh. I love her body wey dey shine like mirror. But I still love her. But for this area, na only Hausa people be the girls wey all the girls wey dey this side now. Na Hausa people. Na only Monica go dey understand me. Money! Monica! Money!
Beautiful. Now that we have made peace, I suggest we go inside and toast to this peaceful moment.
thought I almost lost you.
I am going nowhere. It is you and I forever. No leave, no transfer. I love you, Kate. I love you so much. You mean the whole world to me. You are my sunshine. You are my world. You are everything to me. I can't imagine myself breathing or living without you. So you have nothing. You have nothing to worry about, my love. I love you.
I love it.
I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you. I love you.
Babe, you called on the phone. What is it? What's the problem? Are you alright?
I'm fine. Just calm down. Sorry.
Honey, you're smiling. What is it?
Yes. Okay.
What happened? You got me scared on the phone. And
Oh my God.
Here you are, laughing.
Yeah. Just calm down. It's actually good news. But I don't know how to. Okay, you know what? Just take a look. I don't know.
Right?
Yes. God has finally answered our prayers.
What?
Just. Oh.
Honey. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
What? Ah! You're pregnant! You're pregnant!
Yes,
You're pregnant! You're pregnant! What? And you didn't tell me all this one.
I wanted to be sure. I wanted to be sure I'm pregnant before telling you. We are 3
You're
weeks
pregnant!
gone.
3 weeks! 3 weeks!
Yes.
3 weeks! 3 weeks! I'm going to be a father. I'm going to be a father.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to be a father. Daddy Junior. Daddy Junior. Desmond Junior. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Come on. This calls for celebration.
You
This
like
calls
celebration?
for celebration.
Okay.
Let me get glasses
And the wine is there. Let me get us 2 glasses.
Okay.
Two glasses.
Okay,
I'm coming.
My
Oh my goodness, yes,